Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at an age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, baby, your word of the day is a new opening, aka a new opportunity. It could be a new job offer. It could be a new a new idea that you come to create yourself. You are an inventor. You are the pedal to the metal. You are anti-procrastination. So all this work that you've been putting towards your manifestations and your breakthrough and becoming stronger and better and stability has opened up a new door. Now, it may not be the door that you thought was going to open. Everything does not always go according to plan. Now, you always get your way, but the how, the process, doesn't always go to every one of our bullet points. Sometimes there's a curveball. Maybe you find a blessing in one of your talents and one of your gifts that you weren't even watering as much as the other. One thing, have a teachable spirit and take what's working for you. Open the door and run through the door that's working for you in the opportunity, because it's going to bring great manifestations and great results for you. When one door closes, I'm confident another will open, and it will be for my betterment. It always is. I accept my life that brings challenges and acknowledge the opportunity to learn from all the lessons they present to me, and serenity comes from them. You always find a way to calm your fire when you step up to challenges, when you step up to tests, because you always pass them. You bend, but we never break. You always excel and you always fight hard. You become stronger. And as we say on this page, blessings come with their own weight. Not just negative energy have their own weight, but blessings. So as long as you keep putting in the work, those blessings as they come in this new season will feel like a feather, not like a ball and chain. So do the work. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page been a blessing to you. I love you.